Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to use the Google Gemini Assistant. At first open the settings. You need to set a gesture for your Google Assistant. Scroll down here till you see gestures. Now tap power key. Here, as you can see, we've got press and hold. And of course I will press, but we need to focus and press and hold. Here I've got digital assistant. Tap it. Now hold your power button and Gemini appeared. So let me reset it. And now, what's the weather in San Francisco right now?
In San Francisco, California, United States, it's 12 and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 17 and a low of 12.
Thank you. Okay, I can't say thank you because I didn't tap the microphone. Thank you very much. What about Krakow in Poland? I think she misheard Krakow.
In Warsaw, it's 18 and cloudy. Today, there'll be light rain, with a high of 18 and a low of 13.
What about Krakow, Poland?
In Krakow, it's 18 and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be light rain, with a high of 19 and a low of 12.
Here, if you tap this button right there, you can be dragged into the conversation mode of your
I'm
Gemini.
Gemini.
And that's it.
Side note.
Oh, yeah. Goodbye.